pink, brown, orange, blue, light green, red, sky blue. Let's trace alphabet. A is for apple. A. B. B is for ball. B. C. C is for cat. C. D. D is for dog. D. E. E is for elephant. E. F. F is for fish. F. G. G is for goat. G. H. H is for hat. H. I is for ice cream. I. J. J is for jug. J. K. K is for kite. K. L. L is for lion. L. M. M is for monkey. M. N. N is for nest. N. O. O is for orange. O. P. P is for parrot. P. Q. Q is for queen. Q. R. R is for rabbit. R. S. S is for sun. S. T. T is for tiger. T. U. U is for umbrella. U. V. V is for van. V. W. W is for whale. W. X. X is for xylophone. X. Y. Y is for yak. Y. Z. Z is for zebra. Z. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. A. A is for apple. A. A. B. B is for ball. B. B. C. C is for cat. C. C. D. D is for dog. D. D. E. E is for elephant. E. E. F. F is for fish. F. F. G. G is for goat. G. G. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 A B C D E F G 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 1 20 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran down.
18
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock,
19
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck two.
20
Away she flew.
1
Hickory dickory
2
dock, tick
3
tock, tick
4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20